this could be our last trip ever in Taiwan. We are headed out for an unplanned adventure. Like, this is the most unplanned adventure literally that we've ever had in Taiwan. And honestly, we don't know where we're going, how long it's gonna take really. We have an approximate plan, but I'm kind of nervous about it. How do you feel about this trip?
Excited.
Here we go. Woo! Alishan, I'm coming for you. All right, you ready for the tour? Oh, there's a lace, that helps. This is our first time seeing it too, so. This is the bathroom. This is, oh, it's really cute. I like it. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's like the perfect size, it's not too small. But let's go in the balcony, see our view. We couldn't afford to get like the most amazing view, but we got a pretty good view, I think. Ready? Ooh, this is cute! Alright, this is the place we're staying in. And it's literally in the middle of the mountains, in the middle of nowhere. And these people are really cool. They actually grow their own tea and have for years, and they sell it. So you can see over here, they have like where you can drink tea. That's the first thing they tried to offer us when we came in, which is really cool setup. If you look, they have like all the traditional tea stuff. And this is all the tea that they grow and sell. I'm guessing on their own. They have like oolong teas and Jinxuan, I think it is. Jinxuan is like a, and then black tea. But you can see all the different teas. And I think this is, he's older now, but I think this is the man when we first walked in. And so, yeah, I think it's really interesting.
对呀，茶叶呀。
那为那么小，你怎么让那么小？因为本来就是茶叶才。这个是很好的，这个是不好的。
它是一种快虫。
哦，
快香啊，要晒太阳才会香。
哦，要晒太阳。
对，因为这个我是采起来要做菜的。
两叶。
这一心两叶。
哦，一心两叶。
对。
哦，这是心脏的心吗？
对，心脏的。
It's bright. It's 1:30 in the morning, and guess what? Okay, that's not an attractive angle, but guess where we're going? Did you say it? We're going on an adventure. He's still sleeping. He went to bed at like 11 and it's 1:30 a.m. I never went to sleep at all and I'm raring to go. I gotta turn on the light. He's probably not gonna like it. Hunter, time to get our adventure started. We're leaving the hotel, and I think this is the earliest that we've ever went anywhere. It is 2:05 a.m. How are you feeling? All right, here we go into the unknown, into the black. Look who's smiling. He got his coffee. Oh, that's so funny. I just noticed that. We need to get you coffee more often. He's so cute when he's smiling. Anyway, we made it. We actually made it. It was so scary driving here. Okay, I would not recommend driving here from our hotel because that road was sketchy, wasn't it, Hunter? Like, we thought we were going to either drive off the edge of the cliff or get hit with, like, falling rocks. Anyway, went to 7-Eleven. I got an egg rice thing. And Brandon got his coffee. And we're here. We already bought our tickets. This is such a cute train station. It's all wooden.
Too many days in the darkness without a glimpse of the light. Running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat. Had pulled down all.
Cute little train, isn't it, honey?
Every part of you wants to surrender, but darling, you were meant to survive. With every star.
Here it comes. You see it, Hunter? There it is. Here it comes. See it?
With every star, we are born again.
And Shufu.
In your heart, spend less time in your head.
I gotta hit the beat. I gotta hit the beat.
That was terrible dancing.
Just like a seed in a garden, you will grow to be tall. Staring out over miles of land without it, but wanting to build up walls. Lift me up in your branches, we can watch the sunrise. Just a couple of bruised up souls that believe that it was worth one more try. With every star.
Huge, right?
Open your heart and spend less time in your head. With every star, we are born. Spend less time in your head.
It's very beautiful.
You're mine, always you're mine, forever you're my reality. You're my sunshine.
Bamboo lined with this cool bamboo.
Wow, I feel like I'm in a fairy tale, Hunter.
And I choose you in 100 lifetimes. I choose you.
All right, Rex, you ready for this great adventure?
Worlds I'd find you. And I gotta hit the beat. I gotta hit the beat. I gotta hit the beat. Life with all that I have, I do. And I
所以去阿里山之后，我们很想吃美式的食物，很想吃汉堡。最后，我们终于找到了一个非常棒这个地方，你们一定要去。老板他送给我们那个你看到的沙拉，环境也很不错。
every breath you take.
Like somebody down, I gon' get bone.
This is more than just a wedding. This is etched into eternity.